All right, guys, I just got checked into my room here at Excalibur. It's room 27174. Let's take a look. So when you walk in, directly to your left, you have your bathroom. It only has a single sink, but a decent sized mirror. You got your toilet. You got your shower with a little soap holder. Then your little toiletries, shampoo, conditioner, all that kind of stuff. Then when you walk here, you have a place to put your luggage, which you can see I already put mine in. Decent little area. And then this is the king size room variant. So it has a king size bed, nice little window, chair in the corner, and your TV area. Now, normally this isn't part of the room, but this room has a little extra space, so it does have a little corner area with your desk and then another little seating area. Unfortunately, there's no window right here. It'd be really nice if there was to sit and chill in this area, but the view from this window is actually pretty awesome. And you can see a lot of stuff. I mean, it's not facing the strip, but still pretty cool view. We're up on the 27th floor. The room is overall pretty clean. I mean, it's not perfect. Like when I came in, this cup was already here. And I don't know if you'll see this, but the couches are a little bit stained. The beds are comfortable though. I would definitely not mind having one of these in my bedroom at home. As far as the TV stand and TV go, well, it's a little chewed up, but everything that you need still works. And the shower and bathroom area were a little outdated, but for the price here, I mean, starting at $27 a night, you can't really beat this if you wanted to. So I definitely enjoy these rooms. I stay at Excalibur all the time. I stay at a lot of hotels all the time, but Excalibur is one of my more often stayed at properties because it's just, you can't beat the price. Okay guys, we'll see you later this trip. Ooh. Good morning, guys. It is now day 2 of our trip. I need to shower, get ready, and then today we're gonna go and we'll take you down to the pool, show you around the property. They also have a really cool gaming area, so we'll go check that out for families, kids, all ages are welcome. But yeah, so I'm gonna go hit the showers and I will see you guys in a little bit.
I've been getting out of bed these past few days. Think it's fair to be proud about it. I've quit ordering from all those fast food chains. I'm feeling better, there's no doubt about it. And my days are brighter, my shoulders are so much lighter. Just for a moment there, I thought that there was nothing more to life. I thought about it, wrote a couple songs about it. Just for a moment there, I lost myself. Mind if I be real for a minute? It's almost like everything I feel had a limit. It now gone past. Finding reasons to smile and to laugh at whenever it's a bad day. Music is my band-aid.
All right, guys, we're gonna go check out the downstairs arcade area. It is located right by this giant box office sign right at the front of the hotel. That is right where you can come for the valet services. And you can just go straight down these stairs. And you have reached the arcade slash carnival style games. Starts out with some air hockey, place to get some coins or a card. I'm not really sure what they use here. But you do have a ton of options. Giant claw machine, stacker game, giant dice game. You can play a game that's really cool. You actually bet, like you roll on horses and you try to race your horses straight across. Giant Bobby's Hollywood. Piano keys. Lots of arcade games down here. This is a fun game, really challenging. You throw a wiffle ball, you try to land it in one of those cups. If it's a colored cup, you win a prize based on the color of the cup. And they have prizes up there as well. Some more air hockey. These are some of those arcade games that you like sit in and shoot and everything. It's really a pretty large arcade for all of your arcade needs. They have a bottle toss. Yeah. They also have Pac-Man. Down here is also where you would enter for Tournament of the Kings. That is a show here in Las Vegas. There's lots of jousting and stuff like that. You also get a meal with the show. It's a really cool show. Highly recommend it. I haven't seen it in a few years, but it was good when I did see it. So, as you see, lots of arcade style games and then some more carnival style games. This is one of those water blasters. It is off for the night. Looks like there's just not somebody available to run it. Over here you have basketball and some darts with balloons. Both of those are also closed for the night. Like I said, during the weekends, they're gonna be open, but on the weekdays, there's just not enough staff. This is a shooting game. Then you have a toss to try to knock down those 3 blocks. This game, you just pick a duck. I believe on this game, every duck is a winner. Another one of the horse-style racing games, except this one is with dragons. You just roll a ball right up, and once you roll the ball, it lands in one of those holes, and the colors dictate how far your character moves. There's a huge prize area for all your ticket wins. But a pretty large arcade here. And then over this way you have a little snack area where you can get different blizzards and treats. It is a Dairy Queen, so pretty much anything you see on the Dairy Queen menu at home, you can find here. And that is the downstairs area. So lots of fun games to play. Lots of arcade and carnival style games. All right, so just outside of the Excalibur, you have the option to go to New York, the park, and T-Mobile Arena that way. That way just leads you down to the main strip. And then over here, which a lot of people don't know about, is a tram station that takes you to Mandalay Bay, and it also takes you to Luxor. And then if you avoid the stairs and stay to the left over here, you can go over to Tropicana, and their resort is a lot more mellow. A lot of times there's not too many people in there, it's quieter. So if that's the vibe that you're going for, then that way might be a good option for you. But you just come right up these stairs, and then you are at the tram. I believe today they only have one tram running. Usually there's two. And it takes about 15 minutes for each tram to get from one side down to the other. So today, tram 2 is shut off, but tram 1 is running. So we will be waiting here until that gets here.
Turned off all the lights. Spent an hour with my memories, and then I realized it's not all black and white. Like I was colorblind, but mentally, yeah. Now my days are brighter, just no longer feeling tighter. Don't wear my PJs every day, 'cause I would rather be on site. I thought about it, wrote a couple songs about it. Just for a moment there, I lost myself. It's my band.
Okay guys, we're here at Fat Tuesdays. This is in MGM Grand. We're gonna go get a drink. This is my favorite spot to get a drink. They have the best drinks on the street. All right, hello Chelsea.
Hello Parker, how are you?
Doing well, how are you tonight? Awesome, so we're gonna do a mango Bellini, please.
Mango and Bellini?
Awesome. So these frozen drinks compared to any other frozen drinks on the strip are just superior. I mean, anywhere else that you go, you do get a frozen drink, but it's not the same as Fat Tuesdays. So we want to make sure that you guys come to Fat Tuesdays.
And then you were all set.
Awesome.
It was nice seeing you guys.
Thank you very much.
Of course. You
Have
guys
a great
take care
day.
of you too. Thank you.
Christ, man, he never let me down, nah. Hey, Lord forgive me for my sins. I'm just up in Sin City, in Christ trying to win. Which part of my soul cold? Nada. Devil try to leave me exposed, and I say bye-bye. Side-eye, my spirit is floating. I'm gonna fly high. Only time they connected to God is when they have Wi-Fi. Abide by the rules of the Bible, to the firm of it. Eve gave Adam the fruit, and it had worms in it. Every time I'm up in Las Vegas, you know I murder it. God wants something for his love, I never heard of it. Hey, Lord forgive me for my sins. I'm just up in Sin City, serving Christ, trying to win. Hey, Lord forgive me if I sin. I'm just up in Sin City, serving Christ, trying to win.
Okay, so I kind of just filmed this whole rant and I forgot to turn the mic on. So we are going to talk about it again. But what happened was I tried to charge things to my room because as an M-Life member here, they offer me resort credit, which I can use at any of their participating restaurants to charge to my room, and then they cover the charges of X amount of dollars. This stay that I booked, it was up to the first $100 that I spent at their participating locations. They'll cover the charge and I don't have to. So it goes for a lot of restaurants, a couple of the bars, things like that. Well, since last night, everyone that is a participating location has said, hey, our Wi-Fi is down, we can't charge it to your room. Well, that means that I have to pay for it out of pocket. And unlike the deal that they promised me, there is no way to get that $100 worth of stuff, which is frustrating because I was promised that as part of my stay. That was a deal that's like their enticing offer to get you to come in. Love the property, really hate to be negative towards it because I think that it gets enough hate for reasons that I don't agree with. I mean, yes, the rooms are run down, but you're also getting it at a way lower price point than any other hotel on the Strip. I will update you guys later if I get a resolution or not. All right, guys, I'm gonna go figure this out. We'll see you later. All right, guys, so Excalibur came up with some sort of solution. So they gave me 4 free drinks at the bar, and then they gave my dad him 1 night of his resort fees paid. Next time, hopefully nothing like that will happen again, but I am satisfied with what happened. Obviously, could have been better, could have been a lot worse. Overall, good experience. A little bit of a hassle, but can't really complain too much because it was just a fun time. I mean, it's always a fun time here in Vegas, right? Last day, just getting ready to check out. Have a little bit more packing to do so that I can grab everything because I bring way too much stuff every time that I come to Vegas. But once we finish getting all this packing done, we will be checking out. A really cool feature at all MGM properties is you can actually check out straight through your TV as long as you don't need to adjust any charges or anything. So I always check out through there. Makes it nice and simple. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching us, Vegas. We will see you guys next time. Have a good day.